way it is that 4, you just bring in that variable x. So every time you're dealing with a constant, just put a variable in front of it. So what we're going to have is y is equal to, then we put our limits 2 and negative 3. If we integrate that 4, we are going to get 4x. How? You might ask. This 4, under integration, we believe that it has x, but its power is 0. All right? So that when we say we introduce a new power, that is 0 plus 1, then divide by that new power. What we're going to have is 4x to the power, 0 plus 1 is 1 over 1. Then 4x divided by 1 is 4x. That's how this comes about. So every time you have a constant, this is how you go about it. Okay? Every time you have a constant, you solve it like the way we just did. Good. So, then we come to this one here. What we are going to do is, we are not going to say negative 3 times 2. That is differentiation. Integration, just say plus 1 there. Then divide by the new power. So you're going to have minus 3x to the power 2 plus 1 is 3 over that 3. Okay, then we say y is equal to our limits 2, negative 3. We have 4x minus this 3 and that will cancel out. So we remain with minus x cubed. The integration is done. We are done with integrating. The next thing that we are going to do is now start using the limits that we have. So we say y is equal to, in the first part, where there is x, we are replacing with 2. Wherever there is x in this function, we are going to put 2. So to be 4, open bracket, 2, right? Let me use this, 2 minus 2 cubed. So what I've done is where there is x, I've put 2. So I've put 2 here, and I've also put 2 there. So it is now 4 multiplied by 2 minus 2 cubed. Then we say minus, always. Then in the next bracket, where there is now x again, we are replacing with negative 3. So it is 4, open bracket, negative 3 minus, where there is x, we put negative 3. Okay, so now we say y is equal to, in expanding, we are going to have 4 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8, minus 2 cubed, 2 cubed is 8, same as 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, minus, then we open the bracket, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, minus negative 3 cubed. Negative 3 cubed is negative 27. So let me use these brackets for a moment. Okay, so 4 times negative 3 is negative 12, minus negative 3 cubed is negative 27. So what we have is negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Positive 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. Okay, so our y is equal to 8 minus 8. Here we're going to get a 0. So we're saying 0 minus. Then we say negative 12. Negative 12. Negative times negative 27 is positive 27. So our final answer now will be y is equal to negative, whatever we're going to find there, which is what? 14, is it 14? No, 15, right? It will be 15. So 15, positive 15 times negative, it is negative 15. That is our answer. So since it's paper 2, you don't have to panic, just use the calculator. Even at this point, you can just punch on your calculator and you get the final answer, right? Because now you don't have to procrastinate or start including this other, especially the remaining part like this. You can easily skip this part and just go to the direct answer. So at this point,